Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. So today I'm happy to share that we had posted a millet no knead bread recipe which has got at least 8,000 views. So I thought why not share with you guys another recipe that is gluten free. We have not used any husk, but we have used yeast in it. The recipe is very simple to use. You just need to use finger millets for that recipe. Very easy to make, and you get a perfect gluten-free bread at home. Like when I tried it, it took some in just in the first attempt, the bread turned out to be really nice. So I'm super excited to share this recipe with you. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And now let's go and bake the bread. So this bread has, we've not used any husk and it's eggless. So first in a bowl I have added some lukewarm water. Make sure that the water is never too hot or else your yeast will not bloom really well. I always use is instant dry yeast, but I always prefer to put it in first in lukewarm water instead of just adding everything in the mixture. So in that way I would know if my yeast is fresh. And also a tip, if you want to make keep your yeast fresh for a longer time, just keep it in the fridge, not outside. And here I have added my sugar. So I always add khansari sugar. You can add rock cane sugar or coconut sugar, any sugar that you like, but I prefer using this sugar. And this is the brand that I use. It's organic raw sugar from Nutri-org. So now I'm just waiting for my yeast to bloom. So you can see that my yeast has bloomed, and I find this process the most therapeutic. It's too soothing. So I always love waiting for the yeast to bloom. Then after that I'm going to add like a pinch of salt, or you can add like half teaspoon of salt, a little bit of oil, and then we are going to mix it really well and then add your jowar flour. I've not tried this recipe with any other flour, but I was pretty happy with this recipe because it made it's very simple to make and you do not need too many ingredients. And as I'm teaching gluten free breads, I take all the feedbacks and I try to incorporate those feedbacks in my new recipes and research. So this recipe I was pretty happy with the results. So here you can see I'm going to mix it. You can even use a beater if you like. It's not going to be thick, it's going to be like a thicker cake batter, but it's not going to be like a bread batter. So I have taken my cake tin, I have lined it. If you want me to show you how to line a perfect square tin for breads, you can mention in the comment section and I'll post that recipe. So I kept it for proofing till it becomes like double in size or rises at least 80%. So you can do that. And once it's proofed, I have added a little bit of oil. You can even add milk wash, you can add water if you feel like, just to top it up with some herbs. So in this recipe you can add your general herbs also, but you can even add garlic flavor if you feel like. Any flavor will go well in this recipe. Topped it up with some herbs and I baked it at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. In general you can just add the toothpick, so you can see how super soft this bread has turned. Also do follow me on my Instagram page where I post a lot of healthy recipes, and any request also do mention in the comment section. I have put the link of my Instagram page in the description. You can see this bread turned out very soft, and lately I figured out that if you keep this bread in the fridge, it actually stays fresh for a longer time than you keep it outside. So that's what I have learned, and hope you like the recipe. Do try it, it turned out really good.